Imagine rotating objects as effortlessly as breathing. This simple idea inspired Rotator, a Maya toolset that helps make your daily workflow smoother. Using slider and straightforward controls, Rotator lets you focus on your creative process rather than wrestling with technical details. Features: basic rotation. Select one or more objects. Then choose the axis, X, Y, or Z for rotation. You can define whether the rotation occurs in object space or world space. Simply use the plus or minus buttons to rotate the selection by the value set in the text field. Manual and quick values. The text field is fully editable for manual input, and it also offers a right-click menu to quickly select common rotation values. Slider system. One of Rotator's core features that makes it both efficient and enjoyable to use is its slider. Say goodbye to repetitive clicking for manual adjustments. With these sliders, rotating your selected objects becomes just smooth, continuous rotation control that responds to your every move. Edit Pivot. The Edit Pivot button allows users to toggle the pivot editing mode. Right-clicking on it offers a Snap to Grid or Snap to Point option. Orient and Bake easily reset the pivot of frozen objects to their original position. A single click allows you to align the pivot to an edge, while a double click lets you align it to a face. Center Pivot. A button to reset the object pivot to the center of the geometry, with the option to snap it to the grid via right-click. Freeze Transform reset the rotation values, X, Y, Z to 0, with the Freeze Transform button. Right-click to reset translation and scale channels, or all channels at once. Round Rotation. Simplify any rotation decimals to integers for a cleaner, more readable result. Randomizer. Give each object a random rotation on 1, 2, or all 3 axes, based on the value input in the text field. Another core feature of this tool is that the tool will clamp the rotations, so user will never have values outside the -360 to 360 range. Additional features. Help menu. The Help menu offers extra tools including Match transformations. Copy the transformation or pivot of the last selected object to all other selected objects. Reset values. Reset the translate or rotate values of all selected objects to 0. Special rotations. Fixed rotation. Rotate all objects by the same increment, creating circular arcs. 360 rotation. Rotate all objects to fit within a full circle. Crazy rotation. Use a slider to apply exponential rotation, creating unpredictable dynamic effects with plenty of creative potential. You can find the Rotator tool on my Gumroad page, link in description. Thank you for your time and support.